Tukitana mbere na ntutu ingi na ndi Minister Wore Mimetheka Linturi na mbere Ngugi yawe ntukwe mwake nyuma ya kunyuithwa muma na kujukia obisi egoro aria arugoretie monania ja urimi mwanya ntere cha Kitale na gwikira arimi wirane ati bakagwinikana urimi bwa wa kiuria Kenya bagwatane na thirikari nikienda gutigira kuri neire bya kung'ana NTHIGURUNE akiongera thirikari ni chitaniretie kuinyiria buru na njira ya kunyia maguri jambo ryo na into bingi bya munda.
I, Franklin Mithika Linturi.
Rungu rwa mathaa 20 yana nyume kunywa muma, waziri wa urimi ya Kenya Franklin Mithika Linturi na ambiriretie ngui ya ukiria urimi na araruretie karo kia mathomo ya urimi nteretie Kitale County Trans Nzoia.
One of my mandates within my ministry is to see how we can be able to ensure or to bring people within their own homesteads to ensure we put them back to farming. We may not have to necessarily be able to get all people doing large-scale farming. But I believe if all the people in this country were to set aside a quarter of an acre or an acre within their own pieces of land, those that are not endowed with big pieces of land, like Trans Nzoia, we will be able to bring down the deficit of the food balances that we have, whether in maize, whether in beans, or whatever it is.
Akiaria waziri Linturi wete thirikari ni ritaniretio chokio kumya boremi ya Kenya na njira yotiira arimi bena into birabi kwendeka urimine biriombe unambole ukaita karakareo.
A very small area, if you are able to get the right farm inputs, the right seed, the right fertilizer, the right time, we are able to give necessary information to our farmers, we can be able to increase productivity. So this being the first thing, I am going to involve all stakeholders. I'm going to invite people with ideas on how we can deal with this thing together, because the ideas of Kenyans, there are people that have even better ideas than we may have, but we must really get all of them together and work out a way of how we can do it together so that we all succeed.
Mkuruki na ikite wirane bwa kuritaniria ngui akwe muno na thirikari cia makaunti kendo kinyira arimi bonthe akiwa mwankatha inchukuche thirikari tina mbewe kwana.
The problem of food security in the country will only be won if we all agree to work together. We'll go to the county governments, because most county governments have owning areas of animals for those that are from those particular areas, and then we'll be able to see how we can work with them to establish feedlots where we can feed these animals, increase on their weight and increase on value when they sell. And because we have Kenya Meat Commission, which is a parastatal within our ministry, and which has capacity to buy and sell meat, then we'll take full advantage of that, because through KMC, I am sure we have enough capacity to get meat and package and sell, either to our njeshi, to out of Kenya, and even create events for meat for sale within the country, because they will be sure of the kind of meat they will be taking and from where.
Antonia Wero TV, mbeta wa mukiri wa Mithika.